Walking into this new transformation is so beautiful. Hey guys! On today's episode of Prepare to be Floored, we are creating a tile flooring using our Victorian bloom stencil. I think it looks so nice on how it turned out. We are doing it on some vinyl flooring that has a marble print on it, and it was just getting a little dirty. It was a little old and it needed some refreshing, and that's exactly what we're doing today, so let's get right into it. I always start off with taping off anything that I don't want to get any paint on. After cleaning the floor, I just started putting down my base color, and the gray just went on so beautifully on the vinyl. The vinyl floor kind of has some texture to it, so the paint really adheres great to it. Then it was time to begin stenciling, and I got my first couple down and then started just placing the stencils directly next to each other and alternating between the black and the white. I'm applying these stencils over the whole entire floor, acting as one unit rather than paying attention to the tiles themselves, because the grout lines really are not that visible because it's the vinyl flooring. I really enjoy how the floor still has those neutral colors that were in the marble print before, and this just really takes a whole new look on it. And finally, when I reached my last stencil, it was time to remove the stencil, pull off that tape, and see the final look. I absolutely love all the shapes that were created by repeating the pattern, and I think it just turned out so nicely. Head to our website to check out more of our stencils, and don't forget to tag us on social media with your stencil art.